Hey everyone, today is a very special day for me, and I bought my second entry-level luxury watch. So usually I classify Longines and brands like Rado as entry-level luxury watches, and this is my second entry-level luxury watch. This is the Longines Hydroconquest, and this is the unboxing video of it. Um, this is the first time I'm going to see it. It just arrived from my watch dealer and he delivered it to my home. I decided to buy it at home because of the COVID thing. Really didn't want to get my hands dirty. Okay, so here it goes. So inside you get a box. The box is not as big as the Omega box is, but that's obvious because it's not Omega. It's a Longines, and it sits below Omega and Rolex in terms of exclusivity. So the box looks plain vanilla, but the movement is luxurious. It's well fit. Oh yes. So you're now greeted with. So is this leather? No, it's not leather. It looks leather, but it's not leather. So you have a box, and this type of box is very similar to the one that you get with your Rado watches. It's not surprising. Perhaps they're using the same manufacturer to build these boxes as well. Anyway, it's blue in color. The Rado ones are black. Here it goes. So this is different. This brings some different emotions. This is not present on Rado watches. It's usually just continuation of the black piece. But here you have this Longines logo. Looks very smart. And I specifically asked my AD to deduct 2 links. So from the bracelet. And this is the black version of the Hydroconquest and the 43 version. I have slightly wider wrists, so I went for this, the bigger one, 43 That means, let me try to get it in focus. And he's already set the date. It's an automatic watch, and I believe it's the best automatic watch under $2,000. So if you want to get into the luxury thing, this is the watch to go for. This is the Longines Hydroconquest, and this is my first Longines watch as well. The watch guy did a fairly nice job in convincing me to buy a Longines. He said, you don't have a Longines in your collection, so why not try one? And he said, get this one because it has these are his words. You already own the Seamaster, and you will not be able to find a single thing that will make you feel that this watch should cost any dollar less than the Omega Seamaster 300 300 meter one. So I have that one, and the weight is hefty. Yeah, it has this nice, I would say, luxurious heft to it. It feels substantial. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't try to be, thin and light. I also asked him to remove all the plastics. You have the Longines logo on the clasp, and just like the driver 300 of the Omega Seamaster, it is also 30 bars, so you also get 300-meter water resistance. It's a professional driver's watch, just like the Omega. But the best part is, it is like 3 to 4 times cheaper than the Omega Seamaster. And you get the same ceramic bezel like this Omega Seamaster, which catches smudges fairly quickly. Boy, it looks so good in black. I always wanted to get the black Omega Seamaster, but could not justify buying another one because I already have the blue one. So this Longines, it looks so good. I went for the black one, even though they also offered blue one, and that looks so much similar to Omega. This one is so good. Oh, feels so good. This is. It has a you need just the right amount of force to move the bezel. The clicks sound so good. It doesn't move easily, which is how a bezel should be. The ceramic bezel looks so good, and it has these shiny bits here, which is very similar to the one offered on the Rado Hyperchrome range. The bracelet looks so good. I cannot wait to try it on my wrist. So let's take it on. First, I'm going to open the clasp. So you can see the Longines logo here. So we're going to open that. I'm going to try that with one hand. Okay, so far so good. And let's open it. There you go. And looks so good. Anyway, I'll be doing a full review of it. But before that, before I wear it, let's see what else do you get. What else do you get in the box? So you get the spare links, which I asked him to remove. Let's see if there is anything else in the box. Where's the documentation? How do you remove this? Do you remove this? Is this removable? Look, this is the first time. This is generally the first time handling. Okay. So just like the Rado watches, you find the documentation at the bottom. Nice. So you get a documentation here. Oh, you can't remove this. So I'm going to take this out. So this is Longines World Service. By the way, it comes with 5-year warranty. This is what I have been doing. And it's a pretty hefty instruction manual for such a simple watch. Okay, that's a book to read during your long airline flights, maybe. And yeah, that's nothing else. So you get an instruction manual as well. And that's all you get in the box. So before I end this video, let me show you how it looks on my hand. So right now, by the way, I'm wearing a Rado original Diastar, and this is 35 mm in diameter. So very small watch, classic watch though. I'm going to wear the other one, the Longines now. Okay, so this is how it looks like on my hand. Looks great at 43 mm. It's not too big, not too small, just right. It's thick, and I like thick watches. Not too thick watches, not as thick as the Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean range, but it has the right amount of thickness. It feels on my hand, it feels just like the Omega Seamaster, and that's a very positive thing to say about this watch. It costs just $2,000 compared to $7,000. So yeah, great watch. So yeah, watch out for my full review of this watch, Longines Hydroconquest, in the coming week or so. That's all about it. That was the unboxing of the Longines Hydroconquest watch. Hope you like this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more watch unboxing and reviews like these. Bye bye.